How to fix WeChat app unusual network problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the unusual network problem in the WeChat app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, press and hold on the WeChat app icon on your mobile, and after that a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on app info and you'll be prompted to the app settings from here. And here, once you are in the app settings, simply tap on the option labeled as clear data, and after that a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on clear cache to remove temporary files that might be causing the issue. And here, once you're done with that, simply check your internet connection to make sure that it's stable. And here, if the internet is fine, open the WeChat app again and it should now connect without any network problems. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.